Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, another demonstration of, you can see it's a simple laser rifle. The request was to make something big and kind of bulky, so I made this. Pretty much, simple paint job, nothing fancy. Size makes the price here. I should take off my red glasses for the intro. It's bulky. What can I say? You can attach a front grip. There's a rail here on top. This one is pretty much senseless because it ends here. It should be more like for the side, more like here. But hey, it's just for the looks. That thingy doesn't do anything. Trigger, lights, more lights in the mag. And no, the mag does not come off. So let's try out the laser. Did I mention I love foam as a target? It's just perfect. Foam is the perfect target. That's it for today, guys. Super short video. I don't want to spoil it. You can see most of the few features already, so I don't want to do any close-ups here. Just let him find out how it works and what it looks like up close. So yeah, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys next time.